Today's Mother's Day, which means that every
My
mother
boys are
across
sleeping.
America and in some other countries has a special day.
Tony,
So
don't do that on camera. Tony, leave it. Leave it. Oh, peekaboo, buddy. Peekaboo. And I was like, who the heck woke me up? I was snoozing. I always cuddle with my babies. I love my babies. Peekaboo. You got a hair in your eye. Why are you such a good boy? Why are you such a good boy? Why are you such a good boy? You still got your hair in your eye. Why can't I get it out of your tummy? Oh, now you just put it right back in your eye. We're not doing peekaboo. Why do you want to do peekaboo? Hmm? Are you gonna wake up?
That's why you wouldn't tell me it's lying.
Hmm? Leave it. Leave it, Tony. Hi. Did we wake you up, Nagi? Did we wake you? I'm so sorry, boy. Nagi, why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? Huh? Oh, you so good. Oh, now you doing peekaboo. Peekaboo. So cute. Peekaboo, Tony. You gonna do peekaboo? Tony, you over it? Peekaboo. Good peekaboo. Good peekaboo. Peekaboo. Tony. Peekaboo. Oh, good peekaboo. You keep getting hair in your eyes though, buddy. Yeah. Say hi, everybody. We're just chilling. Yeah. What are you barking at? Your hair on your face. You a silly boy. What? Did I embarrass you? Did I embarrass you? Huh? I'm so sorry. Nuggy Poo. I love you. I know. He's like, get that out of my face. I just woke up. Want to be left alone. Every time I put the phone towards him, he looks away. When I move it, he looks at me. Now he's looking at me. Oh, he's looking at him now. I think I'm bugging my puppies. Should I leave you alone? So you can keep resting? Okay, guys. I just had to get them on video for a little bit, and I wanted to say hi to everyone. I hope everyone's having a blessed day, and I hope everyone's feeling well and doing good. Get out there, enjoy your day. Alright, guys. Have a good one. Bye.